Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So this is going to be a pretty short and sweet video. I'm just needing to clean our kitchen really and put up some of our Costco purchases, dishes. You know, there are always dishes in this house. So if you are ready for just a 10-minute video with lots of good cleaning motivation, you are in the right place. So stick around and let's get into it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a peek at the main spaces of our house. They're just kind of messy. And so I'm not going to really be deep cleaning in this video, but I am going to be tidying because the mess is bringing all the stress to me and it's just got to go. So right now I'm putting up some of our Costco groceries. We just ran to Costco and I put up the cold stuff right away, and then, you know, life happens and I got kind of busy. And so now I need to put just the pantry items up. And I don't know, we didn't get that much. I was really happy. Our Costco bill was under $300, which I feel like right now for a family of 6, that is like a miracle. And I don't know the last time we went to Costco and didn't spend over $300. But anyways, I got our staples. I got some gluten-free flour. I got some snacks for the kids' lunch boxes. I got some grab and go protein shakes. We drink those a lot. And then the cold stuff that I got eggs and a rotisserie chicken, some ground beef, lots of fruit. I saw kiwis in the store and I bought a bunch of those. And I don't typically get kiwis, but they looked good. So I thought, might as well try them. Does anybody know if this is kiwi season? Are they in season? I don't know. I really don't ever get them. But anyways, got kiwis this time. And so I put up those groceries and I'm working on my pantry now. And this pantry really could just get totally made over. It really could go for like a deep clean and reorganizing, but I really don't have the energy for that. Maybe after the holidays, I'll work on that. But for now, I'm just trying to create space, do the best I can with keeping things together. We kind of have a snack shelf, and then I've tried to keep my canned goods with each other, and I like pasta and dry goods, that sort of things on another shelf. And then I keep all the baking stuff together. I do like to bake. I typically bake at least once a week. So that area is probably the most organized, the area that's got flour and sugar and that sort of stuff. Anyways, I'm going to tidy up this part of the kitchen, get those groceries put away, and then get into cleaning the rest of the kitchen. I have got a ton of dishes that I need to work through. So I'm going to Okay, so whenever I get up the energy or maybe even the nerve to clean our pantry out and reorganize it, I'm going to go ahead and add doing that to our refrigerator to that to-do list too, because I'd really like to reorganize our fridge. A few months ago, maybe at the beginning of the summer, so I guess probably 6 months ago, our outside fridge broke. And so we have moved down to one fridge, and just for the size of family we have, our refrigerator goes through a lot of, I don't know, stuff. And I have to really be careful with how I organize it, just because a week's worth of groceries in a counter depth refrigerator is a lot for 6 people. And so it's been juggling. I've just been juggling the space over the last few months trying to make it work. But actually over Black Friday, we purchased a new refrigerator we just keep it in our garage. And I'm so excited to finally have another refrigerator. And so typically I will buy a few gallons of milk at once. And so I need space to store the milk. And then we normally store like Gatorades and Dr. Peppers and waters and that sort of thing. And then also if I'm hosting and need just extra refrigerator space for like covered dishes and that sort of thing, that's what I use the secondary refrigerator for. So after a few months of not having one, I'm so excited to finally have another one, and I will have to get that set up and stocked, and I'll share that in a later video. But I'm so excited to not have to squish everything in our indoor fridge. And I know that not everybody has the second fridge, and I think it's kind of funny how excited I am to have a refrigerator out in the garage. But it's just the little things in life, and I'm really excited to finally have one back, and I will share that in a later video. Okay, so I got the dishes done, and I had a lot going on. I needed to unload the dishwasher of clean dishes and then reload it, just because I had a lot in my sink today. But then I get to clean off the counters, and I actually really like this job. I don't know, maybe it's cathartic or something, but I like to clean the counters in our kitchen. And even more so, I like to just have clean counters in the kitchen when they are not sticky or have crumbs all over them. When they're just clean and shiny, man, it feels really good. It feels like the job is almost done. It's one of the last things I do in our kitchen when I'm cleaning is I clean off the counter, and then I typically vacuum the kitchen. And I realized when I was editing this video that I don't have footage of me vacuuming this kitchen this day. I don't know if I didn't hit record on my camera or what, but anyways, after I clean the counters, I vacuum the kitchen and then I just call it good. Sometimes I mop, but most of the time I just vacuum and then I'm all set. Okay, this kitchen's clean, it's tidy, it's ready to go. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!